maintain level 240.
Then maintain 240, runway 57.
Oh, wow. Oh!
Red Lake 567, contact Cleveland.
Oh, yeah.
Cleveland Southwest 3890, call 220. I was off the line there for a second. Was that Southwest 3890 checking on? That's right, Southwest 3890, call 220. Southwest 3890, Cleveland, gonna get that name.
Und, ungefähr 35 Meilen pro Stunde.
39 Foxtrot, maintain vehicle below 14,000, the Buffalo altimeter 3014. Who else called Buffalo?
November 3949 X-ray, 1010,000.
3949 X-ray Buffalo, approach the Buffalo altimeter 3014.
3014.
Ja.
Mike Kilo, India, November Kilo, Buffalo, departure ident. Ticket. Select those tickets, Mike Donovan, Kilo. India, November Kilo, amend altitude maintenance.
Like a roller coaster.
Charlie Foxtrot, Tango Echo Sierra, contact Toronto Center 133.4.
Yeah, we're just with you now and through 1800.
Tango Echo Sierra, radar contact 2 miles northeast of Niagara. Climb maintain 4,000, when able direct Vogues.
Up to 4,000 when able direct Vogues for Tango Echo Sierra.
Und ja, wir nehmen jetzt ein Boot dahin und werden wahrscheinlich ziemlich nass.
Genau. Yes, yes. Go there, take a picture of you.
Also Virginia, und fliegen nochmal eine Tour über die Niagara-Fälle vorher.
Yeah, speed live. 60. 70.
Oh.
Rotate.
November 3949er X-ray, maintain 3,000 and contact departure 126.5.
Maintain 3,000, contact departure 126.5. Buffalo departure November 3949 X-ray of Niagara Falls, climbing 1,300 for 3,000. We request a Niagara Falls tour.
3949 X-ray, Buffalo departure ident.
Ident, 49 X-ray.
49 X-ray, you turn right heading to 010 out of that turn. You should be nose up to the falls. Let me know when you have in sight.
010. Yeah, we have the falls inside.
For 39er, 49er X-ray, roger. You can monitor the falls frequency on another radio if you have it. That's